Hey y'all, time for another video. Today, what we're gonna do for Pinky Pink Wednesday is debox this beautiful Barbie Extra number 14, just because she's so super pink and because I wanna get her out of her box jail. So, we're gonna do that, but also as a bonus thought, we would open this cutie too that I got on clearance. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna open these two cuties and see what they're all about. First, I'm gonna let you see the boxes real quick. We're not gonna go in a lot of detail. Here is the minis box, and then you can see through the back, and then it has the little rainbow on the top, super cute. This Barbie Extra number 14, I love this. Definitely keeping that. And then it says Barbie Extra here, and then it has her cute little box art, definitely keeping that as well. And then it has these cute little things on the side and more artwork of her that I will be keeping. And then here is the back of the box. And if I can manage not to destroy this when I'm taking her out of her box jail, I'm gonna keep this back panel as well. There is her box. There's the minis box. Now I'm gonna do all that icky cutting and deboxing them off screen. So when I come back to you, they'll be out of their box jails. Okay, y'all, here they are, all out of their box jails. We're gonna go with the little Barbie Extra Mini first. Here are her glasses. I cut them off of her face because they had them all tagged and all in her head and everything, and I don't care for that, so I took it off. And here is her on her cute little stand. Let y'all see the cute little stand. I love these stands. These are so cute, and this one's pink, pinky pink, my perfect pink. Absolutely love this one. I love that it says Barbie Extra Minis there, and that it also says it up here at the top, Barbie Extra Minis. That is such a cute detail. Love, love, love that. This little jacket, oh my goodness. It is so stinking soft, y'all. So soft. If y'all had touch-o-vision, you just wouldn't be able to handle it. I hope that you get one of these like I did on clearance for $5 so you can feel how soft this is. And it's sewn pretty nice, and the fabric is pretty nice on the inside. It's not the nicest, but it's nice as far as, you know, some of the things go that they do these days. So this, love it. Now let's get on into the little mini doll. The hair, pretty nice quality. Again, not the nicest, and she has some strings. I don't know how well you can see that, but yeah, she has some long hang strings that I'm gonna have to cut. But the hair being crimped is pretty soft for it being crimped. But like I said, not the nicest quality hair, but pretty decent. Now the earrings are cute, like the earrings. I'm not much of a fan of fanny packs or bum bags, whatever you call them, wherever you're from. They're not my favorite. I don't mind it so much, you know. I can just take it off, it's no big deal. And I think it's cute that her shoes are two different colors. That is adorable. I don't really care for tennis shoes that much, but you know, having all the different colors with the sprinkle dress, the shoes kind of make sense to me being two different colors, and I think it's cute. So yay for that. She has a little necklace there in yellow, little bead necklace. Pretty cute. And since we're so close up, look at her baby hairs. This one I got, they're done really, really nice. So I'm glad about that. Face is really super cute. I like the thick eyebrows and the pink lips, and that she has the articulation at the elbow and at the knee. Super, super cute. She has the side, but not so much up, down articulation. And then the little dress here, we'll take this down so you can see the dress better. It's a little sprinkly dress, super cute, goes all the way around, Velcro's in the back. These are adorable, but I don't think they're worth the full price that they want to charge. That's why I only get them when they're on sale. That's why I got this girl on clearance for $5. Really like her, super, super cute. I did want to say, even though I really like this jacket, when you do put it on her, it like swallows her up. So I don't know how I feel about that, but it is super cute. So just wanted to say that because it's something that I didn't know, because they have it half on and half off of her. And when you put it on her completely, it's really big on her. She's so tiny, but I do love it. Now let's get on into the main deal, this number 14 here. We're gonna go with her little pet first in the car. Here it is. Now it is super cute. Don't get me wrong. I like all the details are really, really cute. The pet is cute. I like the pink, pinky pink, because pink is my favorite, but I could do without these. Honestly and truly, being a collector, this doesn't make me want the doll more at all. And I know it ups the cost, and I know they're supposed to be extras, so they're supposed to have extra stuff. I could do without this, and I would rather have a stand or some better accessories or more detail. in other ways other than this. But I do think it is cute, and since it does come with it, I will be keeping it. Now here are her little cute sunglasses, the little pink hearts, pink, pinky pink, loving the pink. I really do like these, even though I don't care for when the sunglasses cover up their eyes. These are really cute to me, like for a head accessory, like put it on top of her head or something. So these I do really like. Now this accessory I love, love, love. It's so cute that it's like a box for your little Barbies, but I know they intend for it to be like a purse, but I think of it as like a little box for like a tiny Barbie, which would be so, so cool. Loving all the details. I love that it's sparkly on the front there, if you can see that. And then it has the Barbie pink on the back, and then it has the little closure there. Super, super cute detail. Love this. Now let's get on into this number 14 beautiful lady. Loving all the pink. Let's start with her shoes because they're not my favorite. I don't really care for tennis shoes all that much, especially on my dolls with dresses. It's just not my thing, but these are nice tennis shoes. They do have a lot of detail, and if they would have painted some of these details in pink because she's so pink, I think I would have liked them more. So I might do that. Since we're so up close, I don't know what the deal is with the shiny, matte, shiny that they do. See how it's shiny up here and then it's matte from her knees, like down to there on this one, and then I don't know. I don't care for that. I don't know if it's in their processing or whatever, but like, see, it's shiny here and then dull almost all the way down. And then there's little pieces of shine throughout her like calf here. And then on this one, it doesn't have the shiny up here. It's dull all the way down to here. And then it's shiny from right under her knee all the way down. I don't know what that's about, but I really don't care for that, especially on a doll that costs almost $30. Now, I do have to say and warn you, if you get this doll, they had a bunch of stays, which it poked holes. I don't know. Yeah, you can see that. See the bad holes it poked? I hate that they do that. They had it stayed to the dress, and then they had like her hair stayed in this one up here, which I don't know what the point of that was. But anyway, it did ruin the jacket lining as far as I'm concerned, because there's holes in both sides, and see how it's pinched. And this is not the nicest fabric, so that's not going to, you know, get any better or like heal up over time with some of the nicer fabrics that have more like thread count. Sometimes if you get a little pinprick hole, if you go like this, you can get it to go away, but not on these, because this is really cheapy fabric. And I do like this, the idea of this. It's really cute. I like the way it looks, but it feels like Easter grass, to be honest. Like, it's not nice, and it's kind of puffy, you know, clunky as far as I'm concerned. It's like really boxy shaped for her. There she is without that big old bulky jacket. Look how much prettier she looks. The aesthetic of her, at least to me anyway, I think she looks prettier without the jacket. Even though I like it and I like the idea, I just don't like the, you know, the feel. The textiles are just kind of cheapy to me, so I don't care for it. It's a personal thing. Every collector is different. I'll probably leave that off of her. I will keep it because it came with her, but it's just not my favorite thing. Now let's talk about her cute little accessories. I love the little Barbie ring. I don't love how they had it mushed, the rubber band. See now her fingers, how squished together they are, and they'll be misshapen like that for a while because they've been like that for so long. So I don't love that, but you know, what can you do? I want it to stay on there, and it is a cute detail. I like these bracelets. These bracelets are cute. Would have preferred if this one was like metally, like her little necklaces, and not just flat gray. And I think it would have been cooler if they would have painted this little Barbie ring, like the details on it. That would have been awesome. See, look at her hand, how it's like mushed, and her fingers are stuck like that. I don't care for that. I do want her to keep her ring on, but I just don't want it to be disforming her fingers like that. That's no fun. Okay, I redid the placement of the rubber band. Hopefully over time her fingers will go more back to normal. But anyway, she has this articulation here that goes in, out, and 360 around. She has the elbowy articulation and the wrist articulation. She has where she can bend here, and then she has the out and the back and forth and the knee joint that only goes that far. And she has the rotation at the head, the up, down, side, side, which I love, love, love. That's one of my favorite things. I can do expressive things with their head and neck joint, because the way you cock the head or how you have it looking gives all different kinds of, personality to the doll. That's how I feel anyway. Now, as for this Barbie outfit in pink, pinky pink, I'm in love with this. This I love. I love the print. I love that it goes all the way around. At least they didn't skimp on that. And then it has the little soft, delicate Velcro closures in the back that aren't bulky, so yay for that. Love that. I love that it's 2 pieces and it's just super cute. This is probably one of my favorite things besides the little Percy thing. I do love this, but I don't like that it's made her finger smushed. And now let's look at her accessories. Look at all these necklaces. I really like this necklace here. I like that it says 1980 in the like shiny metal. Now these two, I wish they would have done those in like a pink or some other color, because I don't really care for when they just do like a flat gray. I just wish they would do like a color if they're gonna do like a flat plasticky color like that. I do like that these are simpler because they gave her this one that is so big and so like chunky that these aren't like competing with this. That I do like. And then her earrings here. See, I would have rather had these be white like this is. These are super, super cute. I love these. Just wish they would have painted the details. That's always something that's going to bother me. I don't know why they go through all the trouble that they go through and then they leave all these lovely details just not painted. It makes no sense to me, but I don't run the company. Now her hair, I do have to say, is really, really soft. Love the softness of this hair. I think the quality of this hair feels pretty nice, pretty top quality. I like the way they styled it, really cute, but some of mine are funny, like the loops. See how the loops are coming out? So I'm gonna have to redo these because I don't care for that. She's gonna be my doll with my collection and I don't like how messy that looks. So I'm gonna have to fix that, and it's on most of her little rope braids. You see how the hairs are just flying all over the place, and I didn't do anything to make it that way. That's just how it came. Now she does have a lot of long hang strings in her little rope braids, so I'm gonna have to trim those too once I take all these down and redo them. I am happy with the hair quality and I think the style is adorable, so that is awesome. And I love her baby hairs. She has really nice baby hairs, just like the other one over there, the little Barbie Extra Mini. These are really, really nice. So happy about that. And now let's look at this gorgeous girl's face. Just look at that. This is one of the prettiest faces. I love this face mold. Love, 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 love it. I love the pink, like the raspberry pink that they did over her eye in her like eyeliner and makeup. Love that. Love her little coffee with cream eyes. So, so pretty. I even like the thick eyebrows. I'm usually not a fan of that, but on her, I think it works. And this light lipstick color matches her little dress. I love, love, love that. This face is exquisite. I love this sculpt. It's so, so pretty. And her cocoa brown skin tone is just to die for. She's so super pretty. Loving all the pink on her. I cannot wait to fix her hair, put her on my shelf because she's so pretty, but just all these like strings, like even look there. See all that matted mess? Don't care for that. Gonna have to fix that. She is an exquisite doll. She's really, really pretty to me. And I am glad that I ended up getting her. I'm glad that they put her on sale so that I could, because I've said I'm not gonna buy any of these anymore at full price, and I'm sticking to that. So her, if you didn't watch my video where I hauled her, she was like $15 or $16 on clearance. So that's why I picked this Barbie Extra Girl up, because she was on sale and because I did really want her. When I saw the pictures, I thought she was absolutely gorgeous. And I knew that when she went on sale, I would get her. The only things I don't care for is how cheapy the plastic is on these. Like, really hollow, really cheapy. The legs feel substantial and the arms feel, like they're jointed nicely. The plastic in the middle there is just so super cheapy, and I don't care for that. But what can you do? Overall, I do like her, and I'm glad to have her and add her to my collection for sure. Okay, for me, in my opinion, on the little mini here, I would not have bought her at full price, but $5 I think is fantastic. Super glad I got her on clearance. I think the quality of the jacket is really, really nice. So overall, I would give her like an 8.5, 9. They are cute dolls. I love the faces, and I do love that they have articulation being so small, and I absolutely love the stands. So that's just my opinion. That's how I feel about them, but I love picking them up on sale and adding them to my collection. Now for this number 14 cutie over here, I would say she gets like a 9. simply because her hair is kind of messed up and what happened to her fingers being all squished. Don't care for that. And this is really cheapy quality. The jacket, don't care for the fabrics on that. I could do without the pet. Not my favorite thing, but I love the hair quality. Hair quality is nice. Love the shiny necklace. Love the dress. Love the earrings. Love the little purse. And I love the little sunglasses. So overall, I do really love her. Again, wouldn't have paid full price for her, but you know, the $15, $16, I can't remember. I know it was one of the two that I paid. I think she's worth it as far as that goes. I like her curvy body. I know I forgot to say that. So, you know, overall, she is a buy, but at the reduced price, in my opinion. And I'm happy to have her. Loving both of these Barbie extra cuties, and I'm glad I get to add on my collection. So I hope you enjoyed my review of these two Barbie extra cuties. And as I always do, I thank you so much for being with me and for watching. As always, I hope that everybody watching is well, happy, and safe, having a great Pink Wednesday, and that all the good things that are in this life that can come to you, I really, truly hope they will. I have to say, great, big, huge, lovely, big old pink subscriber love to all you wonderful, lovely subscribers. I cannot tell you enough how awesome, how amazing, and how wonderful you are. I love you guys. You guys really are the best. And I thank you for absolutely every little thing that you do. The likes, the comments, the sharing. The likes help. They get us out there so that we can grow our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have built and add more lovely subscribers to our great big family. So I have to say thank you so much for every little thing you do. If you haven't subscribed yet, I don't know what y'all are waiting for. We do everything here that's Dolly fun and Dolly silliness, tutorials, thrift hauls, what's new videos, reviews, anything you can think of in the Dolly world. We're going to try it here and try and have fun in our safe Dolly space that we have built. I can't tell you how much it means to me that our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family we have just grows by the day and that we've reached so many people. It's so wonderful and awesome. So if you want to join and become part of our great big Dolly Barbie YouTube family, we would love to have you because everyone is always welcome here. Well, y'all, we did it. We made it through this double Barbie extra deboxing. I hope you enjoyed it on this Pinky Pink Wednesday. So you know what I'm gonna say. Bye, y'all.